I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by picking the tool that matches your needs, a local synthesizer for privacy or a cloud API for convenience. Once chosen, paste or import clean plain text and strip filler words so the output sounds natural. Make sure to select a voice and sample rate, 44. 1 kHz is standard, and an output format like MP3 or WAV. This gets you producing audible speech immediately. Next, you'll refine pronunciation and pacing with settings and markup. Once done with the basic file, adjust how the voice talks using SSML or built-in prosody controls. Change rate, pitch, and emphasis to match your intent. Test short segments so you can hear how punctuation and pauses behave, and add phonetic hints for tricky names. Make incremental changes and rerun tests. This prevents wasting time on long renders. If you have many texts, batch a few small files to validate settings before converting everything at once. To finish, render your final audio and normalize loudness so levels match other media. Export in the chosen format and bitrate, add metadata, and import the files into your project timeline. Make sure to save presets for repeatable results. If things go wrong, check common culprits. Sample rate mismatches between source and target, encoding artifacts, or malformed SSML tags. Fixing those usually resolves glitches quickly. If not, test a known good short file to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.